I tell you. Them your people you believe anything we tell them. Yes, and them pay me. My gosh, if me did know say, me could have make money like this. Me would have started doing it long time. Me not just tell one man say I'm gonna be rich and have 5 wives. Man look so happy and run out here. My gosh. Me I tell you. Me I make, man, me I make. Oh, alright. I'm gonna call you back. Somebody sound like them I come. Alright? Alright, see you later. Yeah, alright. Bye. Come in. What can I do for you? Okay, so last night I had the most amazing dream ever. I dreamt I won £1 million. I won the lottery. I finally did. I was living in a big mansion. I was driving a Lamborghini. I was going to expensive restaurants. I was having steak, crab, lobster, everything. I was traveling the world. I was going to every country I wanted to go to. I was just living my best life, and I've come here today to know if that's really gonna happen for me. You know, is my life really gonna change? Because I feel it so much. I feel it happening ever since I've just been buying the lottery so much, because I just know it can happen. I just want to know, is it in my future? Is it gonna come through? Right then, let's see. What? Don't you need a crystal ball? My crystal ball, this, you know, see all the clay upon the top, man. Listen, you know how much people this can feed? And right now, I'm gonna feed you your dream. Let me do my job, man. Let me do my job. Okay, alright. Alright. Yes, man. Oh, no. No, sir. No, sir. Oh, no. Well. Well. It's always strong. That make me act fall off. Well. The good news is you're going to win the lottery. I am? Oh my gosh. But the bad news is you're not gonna win £1 million. 900,000? Not how quite. Much? You're going £2. You're going £2, and this big house you dream of, and this nice car you dream you drive, not gonna happen quite yet. I see him raga house you go there now, and I see him bang you go and drive around the place. Yeah, them ya steak and crab, and them ya sitting here you want to eat. I see him tin mackerel you forgot eat with some white rice. Maybe you can afford one tin of corned beef, and make sure if you can afford it, you don't lose a key, you know, because them not sitting there hard to open. But maybe you can afford some corned beef, you know, maybe on a Friday you can go and shell out. You see them thing that all them go on. Sorry, and that big holiday, maybe it can happen, you know, but for now, just go and walk to the park. You have a dog? No. Oh, I'm gonna say you could have walk a dog to the park, but you're not a dog. You can't afford a dog neither. What a shame. But not look so sad. You know, not look so sad. It was a dream, you know, it was a dream, but me not really care how broke you is. You still have to pay for my service. So and me not do installment. I pay full price me take. So you need to fork up my money.